Dear all, it is my great pleasure to be with you in very important point. It is about impact factor and consequently citation and H-index. Why is this very important? For us as a scientist, this is how they see your qualifications and your production. It's also important for institute and university because the rank of the universities, it is counted according to very important factor. How many publication and what about citation and H-index? So let us see in very simple way this important topic. We start with the impact factor. Journal impact factor measures quality and impact of the work. And the high impact factor means frequent citation and recognition of you of author, as an author and institute. What is the reliable way to see the impact factor? The best reliable way is Web of Science database. So you put the journal name here and search using journal citation report in order to see the impact factor. Then you get reliable data. Let us take example first, how they calculate the impact factor. Look to this journal impact factor. So see the citation in 2008, for example. So it means what is the citation of the year before, 2007? It is 263. What is the number of items published? Is 55. Look to the year before. So last 2 years, this is a submission of the citation in last 2 years. Then divided by number of recent items in the same 2 years, which is 104. Then you will get the impact factor. This is how they calculate impact factor. What about checking the impact factor is crucial. Why? Because it can be misleading information, like this invitation I got, and it says the impact factor 5.8. If I submit my paper, it is false impact factor. It means I will lose the paper. Any citation of the paper, it will not be counted, and accordingly, I will not get any H-index. So I lose everything. So I put the name of the journal here in the website I have mentioned, and it says not found. It means it is not a real impact factor. On contradictory, if you look to another journal like Trends in Food Science and Technology, you will see the impact factor is about 15. And look to the last 5 years, it gives also reliability. When it is last 5 years, it is around the same impact. It means it is good also indication that at least the journal impact is stable or going up. If the impact factor is going down, it started to be question mark. It is not really very good journal. So look also to another factor. For example, this journal is 2 divided by 142. What it means? It means this is the second journal in the group of 142. It means one of the top 5 in the series. Many universities like to have top 10 journal. What means top 10? It means top 10 of this journal among the group. So in the area on food science and technology, it is a second. It means it is really high. It is very good journal and have high reputation. Look to another journal like Molecules. Impact factor is 4.6. You will see that it is number 97. See the difference? 97 of 285. Accordingly, you will see it is Q2. Previous one, of course, it is second. It means immediately it will be Q1. But this is 97. It means it is really not like the other one. From this point of view, the journal impact factor quantifies journal impact and its influence in the field. So it helps researcher, institution, and the funding agencies make publishing and resources allocation decisions. Right? Phytotherapy, for example, impact factor is 3.4, but it is in the group of 60. It means immediately it will be Q1, no. Q2, no. It's almost in the half. It is Q3. So now you understand what means Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 as well, right? H-index and citation. What means H-index? If you start to publish many papers, you get H-index. And this determines the quality of your work, and it influences you. So what is the factors influence calculation? The number of publication. Also, the number accordingly of citation. So when increasing citation, your H-index will be increased. And many jobs, many scholarship, they asked you about H-index and citation. So how to increase your H-index? Immediately, now I hear you. Publish in top journals and publish. Collaborate with other researchers in your field to increase the visibility and the impact of your work. Promote your research through the social media, academic, networking, etc. And also other channels. How to select the next point, how to select journal of your manuscript. First, take an overview about similar articles where they were published. Another, take an overview about the articles published in the targeted journals. Look to it and look and compare your manuscript. Number 3, look if it fit the scope of the journal. It is very important. Check the impact factor and repetition, as we discussed. Read carefully the guide for authors, instructions to put it in the style. For example, see how many words they ask it sometimes on the journal. What is the style of the references, etc. This will help you a lot, because to save your time, also to get a good impression when the editor receive your paper. And don't forget to check similarity. And similarity shouldn't be more than 15% when you work in review article. And when it is original paper, preferably to be 12%. Number 6, some publishing companies allowing to search also of your abstract or keywords of the article through suggested some journals. You will see that in the next slide. So if you look here, you will see examples about links could help you. For example, journal finder, elsevier.com, journal suggester, springer.com. How you do that? Simply take your abstract, put it in the link here, and click find journal. For example, one of our abstract, we put it here and started to find journal. Look how many we got. 38 journals matching your paper. Then you started to check the paper accordingly and immediately click here to submit the paper and follow the instructions. But please give it time first to choose. Another, using a word, for example, keyword, which is suitable, like spectroscopy. Then you will get such journals. Then you start again to check the impact factor. I hope it was useful for you. I would like to thank you very much for my teamwork, and also please think to contribute it with the mission to be useful for all scientists to avoid mistakes of delaying or misleading information. يا رب يكون علما ينتفع به. نسألكم الدعاء، وشكرا لكم جميعا على حسن استماعكم. في أمان الله وعونه.